6 of the best 3D fashion and illustration softwares. If you're a fashion enthusiast or a designer, you understand the importance of visualizing your ideas before bringing them to life. In the digital age, 3D fashion illustration software has become an invaluable tool for fashion designers to conceptualize and showcase their creative visions. From creating lifelike garment designs to experimenting with textures and colors, these software options empower designers to innovate and refine their ideas. In this video, we'll explore 6 of the best 3D fashion illustration software programs that can help elevate your design process to a whole new dimension. Fashion illustration has evolved over the years, and with the advent of technology, 3D software has taken the industry by storm. These tools enable designers to move beyond traditional 2D sketches and dive into the world of three-dimensional creativity. Let's discuss why opting for 3D fashion illustration software is a game-changer for aspiring and established designers alike. Why choose 3D fashion illustration software? In the realm of fashion design, being able to visualize a garment in 3D can make a world of difference. Here are some compelling reasons why embracing 3D fashion illustration software is a smart move. Enhanced realism and detail. 3D software allows you to create designs with a level of realism and detail that 2D sketches simply can't match. You can experiment with various fabrics, textures, and embellishments to see how they interact with light and movement. Efficient prototyping. With 3D fashion illustration software, you can design, adjust, and refine your creations virtually, saving both time and resources. Cost-effective iteration. You can make adjustments on the fly and visualize the outcome immediately. This iterative process results in better designs and fewer expenses. Creative freedom. 3D software offers unparalleled creative freedom. You can experiment with unconventional shapes, silhouettes, and patterns, giving life to your most imaginative ideas. Top 6 3D fashion illustration software. Blender isn't just for 3D modeling, it's also a powerful tool for fashion illustration. Its open-source nature and robust features make it a favorite among designers. Its user-friendly interface, combined with advanced features, makes it a top choice for fashion professionals and aspiring designers alike. What sets Blender 3 apart is its ability to infuse your fashion illustrations with unparalleled realism and depth. It's widely used in the gaming and animation industries for its stunning fabric simulations. Marvelous Designer. Marvelous Designer is a powerful 3D clothing software used by professionals in the fashion, film, and gaming industries. It allows users to create realistic and dynamic 3D clothing simulations with ease. With Marvelous Designer, you can design clothing patterns, simulate fabric draping and movement, and even add accessories like buttons and zippers. The software also includes a library of pre-made 3D garment templates, textures, and styles to help jumpstart your designs. The software's drag and drop feature makes it easy to add and adjust elements, while the realistic fabric simulation tools accurately mimic the behavior of real-world fabrics. Marvelous Designer also offers a wide range of export options, allowing users to export their designs to popular 3D software like Maya, 3ds Max, and ZBrush. CLO 3D Fashion Illustration Software. This software boasts an intuitive interface and dynamic simulation capabilities. It's a go-to for fashion designers looking to visualize how garments drape and flow. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, CLO 3D allows users to create virtual 3D garments, visualize them on customizable avatars, and simulate their movements and fit. This allows designers to see how their designs will look and move in real life before any physical samples are made. This saves time and money in the production process. Overall, CLO 3D fashion illustration software is an essential tool for anyone in the fashion industry looking to streamline their design process and create stunning, realistic virtual garments. In addition to its design and simulation capabilities, CLO 3D also offers features that allow for efficient collaboration and communication within design teams. Users can share their designs with others, receive feedback, and make changes in real time, all within the software's platform. This streamlines the design process and ensures that everyone involved is on the same page. This ensures that users always have access to the latest technology and tools to create the best possible designs. Overall, CLO 3D fashion illustration software is an all-in-one solution for fashion designers, pattern makers, and manufacturers. Browseware. Browseware offers true-to-life 3D rendering, allowing you to view your designs from every angle. Its integration with various design software enhances your workflow. Browseware is a leading provider of 3D digital solutions for the fashion industry. The company's software allows users to create 3D models of garments, experiment with different fabrics and colors, and even simulate how the garments will move on a virtual runway. This not only saves time and resources, but it also reduces waste and the need for physical samples. Browseware's 3D digital solutions have significantly improved the workflow in the fashion industry. Designers and companies can now create 3D models that can be modified and updated in real time, allowing for faster decision-making and reduced errors. Additionally, Browseware software eliminates the need for physical samples, which can be costly and time-consuming to produce. DAZ Studio 3D fashion illustration software. Primarily used for character design, DAZ Studio can also be employed for fashion illustration. Its vast library of 3D models can add a unique touch to your creations. If you're a fashion enthusiast or a budding designer looking to bring your creative vision to life, DAZ Studio 3D fashion illustration software is your ultimate tool. With DAZ Studio, you can effortlessly create stunning fashion illustrations that captivate your audience. One of the standout features of DAZ Studio is its ability to bring your fashion illustrations to life with unparalleled realism. Once you've created your fashion illustrations with DAZ Studio, it's time to showcase your work. The software provides export options for images and animations, making it easy to share your designs on your website, social media, or in presentations. Optitex. Optitex specializes in 2D and 3D CAD/CAM software for fashion and apparel. Its comprehensive suite covers everything from pattern making to virtual prototyping. Optitex 3D fashion illustration software is a powerful tool that has revolutionized the fashion industry. This software allows designers to create realistic 3D models of their designs, which can be viewed from all angles and even on virtual models. With Optitex, designers can easily make changes to their designs and see them instantly in 3D, saving time and reducing errors. In the fast-paced world of fashion, staying ahead requires innovation and the adoption of cutting-edge tools. 3D fashion illustration software opens up new avenues for creativity, efficiency, and precision. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, these 6 3D fashion illustration software options provide a gateway to exploring your design potential in a whole new dimension.